Alright, so what I decided to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the car pretty much 90% of the way down, and then I'm going to take it to fast lane and do the other 10%, which would be literally dropping the motor out of the car. So what I'm doing today is I'm taking off the drive shaft, the T56 transmission, clutch, flywheel, the whole thing, the exhaust, the mid pipe, cap back, and then start unhooking everything here under the dash, under the hood. So I got the battery out, unhooked the throttle cable, started unhooking the air box and all here so I can pull the mass air and all out. And yeah, so the plan is to take it all the way out, get the motor out by this weekend so we can get it rebuilt. Alright, so transmission's out, supercharger's off, pulley bridge is off. Getting down to the final little bits and pieces here so I can get this ready to drop out and we can get it inspected and see what's wrong with it. Plan is to go to fast lane, I'm putting on the lift, unbolt the key member, raise the car, pull the motor right out. That's typically the easy way to do it. I mean, it's gotten to the point I get everything else off except for the headers. I can pull it out top. Those headers are a real pain. So anyway, there it is. A couple hours later, taking it apart, ready to diagnose. Tired of seeing it sitting here and do nothing. Alright, so it's later that evening. I got the car loaded on the trailer with my winch, which is awesome. Winched the car up, pretty much the motor's ready to come out. A couple little connections, unbolt the key member, and it'll drop right out. So I'm probably gonna go to fast lane this week. Use their lift, it'll make it a lot easier. Might even pay Caleb to help me or something. We'll see. Till then, black car's got a little bit more room now by itself over here, and the Cobra pushed over here on the side. So walk out here real quick. Forgot to turn on my neons this morning. There we go. So update this morning. There's the black car sitting on this side of the garage for a change, which is a little different. It's normally sitting over here where the Cobra's sitting today. It's on dolly, so it's easy to move around. Take you outside here a little bit so I can show you the Mach 1. There's a T56, I had the Mach 1. Got all loaded up last night on my car trailer thanks to the use of that sweet winch. Been on there a long time, still works. It allowed me to winch the car up. So there it is, ready to go to fast lane sometime this week. And I just got to call and talk to those guys when's a good time to come by and put it in capable hands of Melvin to figure out what's wrong with the engine, why it's got that little bit of a knock in it when it warms up. So we'll see. But there you go, that's the update for today.